In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best hand crank radios available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the hand crank radios list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the hand crank radios mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, XHDATA D608WB Emergency Crank Weather Radio. The XHDATA D608WB is a multifunctional emergency radio with AM/FM/SW/NOAA alert capabilities. It features a hand crank for power, a phone charger, and Bluetooth connectivity. This portable radio is battery-operated, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts or emergency preparedness. Stay connected and powered up with this reliable device that combines entertainment, communication, and safety features. Number 4, 2024 Portable Crank AM/FM NOAA Emergency Radio. This 3-in-1 emergency radio comes with AM/FM/NOAA weather alerts, a hand crank, and solar charging capabilities. It features a built-in reading lamp, flashlight, and a telescopic antenna for enhanced signal reception. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency kits. Stay prepared for any situation with its versatile power sources and practical lighting options. Number 3, DEGEN DE13 Crank Solar Emergency Radio. The DEGEN DE13 is a high-quality emergency radio offering AM/FM/SW bands and global reception. It's powered by a hand crank, solar panel, or batteries. Compact yet durable, it's an ideal travel companion or survival kit addition. Competing with top-tier models like Texan and Panda, this radio ensures clear signal reception and reliable power in emergencies. Number 2, Portable Hand Crank Emergency Weather Radio. Equipped with a 4000 mAh power bank, this radio combines AM/FM/NOAA alerts with solar power, a hand crank, and Type-C charging. It includes an SOS alarm and flashlight for emergencies, making it a compact survival essential. Whether for natural disasters or outdoor adventures, this device ensures you're always informed and connected. Number 1, 10,000 mAh Waterproof Emergency Radio. This top-tier emergency radio features AM/FM bands, solar and hand crank charging, and a 10,000 mAh battery. It also includes a flashlight, reading lamp, and SOS alarm. Its waterproof design ensures durability in harsh conditions. Perfect for emergencies or outdoor activities, this device offers extended battery life and essential tools for safety.